Hey, aloha everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Hope everybody is being safe. For those of you that are new to the channel, aloha, welcome. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Those of you that are subscribers, welcome back, aloha. I appreciate all your support. Without any more delays, let's look at our portfolio and what happened. So currently it's still standing at 1,100. For the week, I'm only up 0.13%. For the month, I'm up 9%. For quarter, I am down 9% or 10%. For the year, I'm down 23%. All time, still down 24%. For my ETFs, still down. I'm up 0.42%. SPHD, VOO. For my real estate, I am up 0.88. I got Realtor O, PSA, DRL. I wanted to add EQIX into this one, which it's a data center for REIT. So shout out to Citizen of the Year. He did a great video analysis of this one. Definitely you guys should check that out. For my bonds, down 0.08. BND. I like this bond. It's a monthly bond, and then the rest are just treasury bonds. Yeah. For my growth stocks, I am down 0.71. Got Tesla, Amazon, Google, TTD, and then Facebook, the Trader Desk. For my technology, I am up 0.74. Got my Apple, Microsoft, and AVGO. And then for healthcare, I'm down 3% for the week. Johnson & Johnson, Abbey, UNH, and then MRK, sorry. And then for my financials, I am up 3%. Bank of America, JP Morgan, Visa, MasterCard, and CB. For my utilities, so I am down 5%. NEE, SO, NEC, AWK, and I definitely wanted to add Duke Energy into this portfolio in this sector. For my communication, I am up 1%, and then AT&T, Disney, and Verizon. For my consumer defense, I am down 1.44%. Costco, Coca-Cola, Target. I'm gonna add Pepsi, Procter & Gamble, and Walmart into this sector. These are companies that I had in my Robinhood account, but I definitely want to start adding it into my M1 Finance. And then for my industrial, I am up 3%. And then I got waste management, Roper, 3M, RTX. I wanted to add these three: Old Dominion, ADP, and GPN. So Old Dominion is this freight. ADP and GPT are kind of like payment stuff. And I decided I'm going to sell Boeing. So I'm up 3% on this one. We'll see how that goes. And then for my other consumer sector, I got McDonald's, Home Depot, Lowe's, GPC. I wanted to also add Domino's in here. And then finally, for my energy, I'm up 1%. And then still got Chevron and Exxon in there. For my materials, SHW, ADP, PPG, and then LIN. And so that's for my activity. So let's look at the dividends and the deposits. So as you can see, I like the fact that it's starting to be increasing as we go. So at 47 cents, 47 cents, so which is great. Made some deposits, got another dividend payment, and then I also see got all these dividends. I like how you're seeing where I'm getting all pretty much almost everyday dividends, which is great. So alright, so that's about it. Again, thank you for watching. Be safe out there, everybody. And then I hope to see you guys on the next update. Be safe and take care. Aloha.